Hello everyone and welcome back to Civil Engineering Academy. My name is Marina and today we're going to be solving a problem for your PE transportation exam. So let's go ahead and get started. A roadside concrete drainage ditch with a trapezoidal cross-section is to be constructed for a project. The ditch line extension is 244 feet and the concrete thickness is 6 inches. Given 16% waste due to over-excavation, the volume of concrete in cubic yard is most nearly. So here we were given the cross-section, right, and we were given this dimension, and we can estimate this dimension, let's call this B, and the dimension that we're going to actually need to calculate the cross-section area of this trapezoidal ditch is going to be this one that I'm going to call A. The first thing that we can do here, we can do some triangle similarity. So let's start with that. So basically we can say that B over 3 equals 24 over 4. And then we can see that our B is going to be 3 times 24 over 4. This is going to be 18 feet. Now we can apply the Pythagorean theorem and we can see that our A squared is going to be equal our 24 squared plus our B that we just found squared, so 18 squared. And then we can see that our A is going to be the square root of 24 squared plus 18 squared. And we're going to find that our A is equal 30 feet. So let's take a look in our cross-section. Basically, we have 30 feet here, and then we have 18 feet. This is not to scale, but let's just see what we got here. And the thickness of this cross-section is 6 inches. So let's make sure we have everything in the same unit. So this is this thickness is 6 inches. We know that we can convert this to feet, dividing it by 12, and we're gonna have 0.5 feet. With that, we can calculate our cross-section area, and our area is going to be 30 times 2 plus 18 times our thickness, 0.5. And then we're gonna find that our area is 39 square feet. Okay. Now we can go ahead and we can calculate the volume of our structure of our ditch. Okay, so let's do that. So for the volume, we need to multiply this by the lining, which is we got that the extension is 244 feet. So our volume is going to be the area times our length. Okay, so our volume is going to be 39 plus times 244, and we're gonna find that our volume is 9,516 cubic feet, and we were asked to calculate the volume in cubic yard. So to do this conversion, we're gonna divide this value by 27. So let's do that. So we have that our volume is 9,516 divided by 27. Our volume is equal 352.4 cubic yard. And we need to add the waste of 16%. So we're gonna see that our total volume, I'm gonna call this V sub T, is going to be 1.16 times 352.4. And we're gonna see this is 408.83 cubic yard. So our answer is going to be letter B, which is 409 cubic yard. Thank you. I see you next time.